This is a 2020 Harley Davidson Ultra Limited, one of Harley Davidson's premier touring bikes. This bike is in like new condition. It has only 2,373 original miles on the odometer. The color of it is vivid black with a black factory finish. And basically what that means is all the chrome has been blacked out. So it gives this bike just a really cool look, not having the chrome all over it. Being the Ultra Limited, it's equipped with a 114 cubic inch MILWAUKEE 8 engine. So it's plenty of horsepower, plenty of torque to get you and your gear and your passenger down the road, power to pass, easily get over the hills and mountains. Just a great touring bike. Blacked out exhaust. Now this bike has a few accessories on it. The handlebars have been changed out for 12-inch bars, which makes this bike very comfortable, gives you a really good riding position as opposed to the stock bars that are very low. It has heated grips, of course cruise control, GPS navigation, has the GTS boom stereo system, which is AM, FM, weather band, Bluetooth. You can Bluetooth your tunes from your phone, your iPod into the system, or in this compartment right here, you can put your device in there and plug it in. It'll not only charge it, but it'll integrate it right into the system, and then you can control it with the large touch screen or the hand controls. Nice big 6-gallon tank, so you have a lot of range. Nice big comfortable touring seat, not only for the rider but for the passenger. Rear speakers, front speakers, really a good stereo. Black Harley adjustable highway pegs, and Cobra BLAK slip-on mufflers have been put on the bike, so you can actually hear it run now as opposed to the stock. It's got the black Harley Davidson Air Wing luggage rack, LED lights on the TourPak, LED lights in the front, the headlight, the driving lights. This is just an absolutely beautiful bike. The headlights and the driving lights have a little bit of a dark tint to them, as do the turn signals. Black front end, custom black wheels from Harley Davidson. If you're in the market for a new touring bike for the spring and summer and fall riding season that's just around the corner, take a really good look at this super low mileage 2020 Ultra Limited. Has all the right accessories on it. Vivid black color, blacked out finish, 12-inch bars, exhaust, highway pegs, everything you need to get yourself down the road in comfort and style. Now our prices are out the door. We don't charge any of the mystery fees. Don't charge MSRP and freight and setup and dock fees and all that other hooey. Just straight up, honest prices. Give Will a call at Dream Cycles USA at 417-343-3696, or visit us on the web at www.dreamcyclesusa.com. Thank you.